Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can catch the shiny festive dolphin in Fish It. So this is a mythic tire fish on the Christmas island that only appears during the Christmas event. And for the luck booster, so previously I used the luck boosters to get this one, and for the roads that I use, I'm using the Ghostfin roads with the corrupt bait. And for the locations here, I've already I fish in the Christmas island. At the back of the Christmas island in here, you see the fishing spots, so you can just go to the back of the Christmas island, and in here where I got this cute little cute dolphin with the festive and shiny mutations. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.